In this video, I'm going to show you how to change size of all cells in Google Sheets. There's no possible way on how to change the default size of cells in Google Spreadsheets. So to change the sizes of all cells in your spreadsheet, what we're going to do is we're going to simultaneously change the sizes of all columns and change the sizes of all rows. To do this, first let's do it on the column. So simply select all the columns in your spreadsheet. And after highlighting all columns in here on your cursor, simply right-click and go to Resize Columns A to Z. So let's say that we're going to resize this to 150 pixels. Simply click OK in here. And after successfully resizing your columns, let's try resizing the rows in here. Simply select all rows. After selecting all rows, right-click on your cursor and choose Resize Rows and change this based on your need or based on your preference. Let's do the same size as the column, 150 pixels, then click OK. And now we have successfully changed all sizes of cells in this Google spreadsheet. And that's about it. That's how to change sizes of all cells in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.